guys, welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee, and today we're going to make a spooky spider. So come on, let's see what we need to get started. Grab a brush, some black paint, a scissors, styrofoam ball, eyes, black piping and glue. Paint your styrofoam ball black. I'm holding it, but it would be better to pop a toothpick in so your fingers don't smudge the paint. But remember, making crafts doesn't have to be perfect. Leave the paint to dry. Now the legs. Chop your piping if you need to make it shorter. Ask a grown-up to help with the scissors if you need. Push the piping into the styrofoam. Let's put the eyes on. Put the glue on the back and press them onto the spider's head. Ooh. So guys, that's the end of today's episode on how to make a spooky spider. But wait, where's my spider? Ah! Okay, that's a very spooky spider. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget, keep crafting, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye bye. And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.